Hello everybody, here's my mama and she's going to be making her famous Mexican fried rice for y'all today. And she's going to walk you through it. She'll show you all the ingredients, she'll show you everything that you'll need, and she'll walk you through the steps.
Yeah, we've done our rice. We browned it. You have to brown. The first step is your rice. You take your rice, however much you want, and you put it in warm water and let it set for about 10 minutes. Then you drain it and you bring it over here and you put it in about a half a cup of grease, oil. And you keep stirring it until it gets brown like. See, this was white rice, but now it's got a little bit brown in it. And then the next step.
Yeah, so that's step one. You just get the rice browned in a half a cup of oil.
Yeah. And then.
But you got to wash it first. You wash it, then drain it.
Yeah. That makes it soft. You put it in warm water to make it soft, and then you drain the water out of it. You put it in your skillet in like a half a cup of oil, and you brown it. You keep stirring it until it gets about good, and it takes probably about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then for your ingredients to go in it, you have to have a blender, and you can have chicken broth or you can have beef broth, whichever you like. I like chicken myself, but I didn't have it, so I'm going to use the beef today.
Yeah, we had a few things of beef, and we meant to get chicken broth the other day, but I guess we forgot to get the chicken.
Yeah. So, you put it in your blender. I say about 2 cups.
Just going to eyeball it.
Yeah, I'm just eyeballing it.
About 2 cups.
Of that. You put in your garlic. You got to have garlic.
And this is a minced garlic.
Yeah. You put about half a spoonful, I guess you'd say, teaspoon, because this is a little tiny spoon. And then you put your onion in there. You just need a piece of onion. Put it in there.
This is that was less than a quarter of an onion in there.
Yeah. And this is, you got to put this in there.
This is Sazón Goya.
Yeah.
It's like a Mexican spice.
And usually Walmart carries it, but our Walmart quit carrying it. I don't know why. So my girls, when they come in, they'll bring me some. So we're going to use 3 of them today.
Yeah, you can use however many you like. If you don't like it real strong, just use 1 or maybe 2. But if you use 3 of them, it'll be a little bit stronger. It'll taste really good.
Yeah. So we have to mix all this up in a blender. And it's really good. And I usually fix chicken with mine. And I fry my chicken and I put vegetables in it. And that's what I usually have with my rice. I'm not today. So, and then you put this on. I'll put it this way. And then you and that should do it, as long as you got your onion chopped up in it. And then you take this and get it out of here. Wow. I should have left the lid on it. Thank God it all didn't go out. And then you pour this in here. And you kind of stir it around in here. And you got to put it on in between medium and low. Almost on medium.
Yeah.
And you stir it up real good. Get it all mixed in there good. And then you put a lid on it and you let it simmer probably about 30-35 minutes. You have to keep checking it and see. And if it gets dry and it's not tender, the rice is not tender yet, then you put more of your broth in it. And if you run out of broth, you can put water in it. You put your lid on it, and there it is. And it'll take about 30 minutes for that to get done. And then he's going to cut it right here, and we'll show you the next step after it gets done, right?
Yeah.
Is that what we're going to do?
Yeah. After I cut it, we'll be right back, and we'll show y'all what it looks like whenever it's done steaming. And it's going to be on for probably 30 minutes, but we'll be right back in the next part of this video. and we'll show y'all the next step or what to put on it next.
Yeah.
But we'll be right back. Love y'all.
Love ya.
Alright, we're back, y'all, and this is what it looks like after it's fully done. And it's been simmering or steaming for probably 30 minutes, maybe a little longer than 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes.
That's the way it looks. It's soft now, tender.
It was just a little bit in the bottom, but now it's swelled up till it filled up the whole pan.
Yep, so we're gonna try it with our cheese.
That's what it'll look like after it's fully done. It'll be orange.
Yeah, yeah. This is the seasoning that we put in it. Oh.
And this is a, we haven't showed this yet. This is a Gordo's cheese. I know a long time ago, it used to always say goat cheese on it. Now it don't even say goat cheese anymore. It just says cheese dip. But it's the same brand that we used to get, and it used to say goat cheese, but...
Yeah. This is like the white cheese that they use in the Mexican restaurants.
Yeah.
You know, to get your chips with and you dip them with, they'll bring them to you. So, but I love it. I put it over my rice, and then when I make how you say that? The
Guacamole.
Guacamole. I put some over that, and then I fry chicken, and I put vegetables in my chicken and cook it or boil the vegetables in with my chicken after my chicken gets done. And that's the way I like to eat my rice, is with the chicken and the guacamole.
And the cheese.
And the cheese. It is so good. It's a little bit expensive, but it's good now.
Yeah, and you could find it in the dairy section if you was looking for it. It's called Gordo's cheese.
And it is delicious. I love it. So, to me, I think that's what makes the rice. You know. But that's your, that's what my daughter, Valerie, she taught me how to do this. So, there it is. Look at it. So good.
Well, I guess that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all make sure to check out the merch drop. It's the link is in the description. If you look in the description of our channel, it'll be a little link there, and you just click that. It'll take you to the merch shop, and you can see the few things that we have up right now. And we'll be putting up a lot more things soon, but that's just what we have for now.
And we're working on it. So some of the stuff, if you when you go over to the first go over to it, it'll show stuff, and it'll be higher than what we really have it at.
Yeah, and they put the price on there. Like, I don't think we could set the price ourselves. Like, whatever the price is what they put the price as.
Yeah.
And we just have to
Pick
sell
which
it.
price,
Yeah, they sell it for whatever price they put on there.
Yeah. So.
But
we go with the cheapest one we can. You know.
yeah, y'all better get it while y'all can, because after it's sold out, I don't think there'll be any more of it. We'll have to make a different thing after it's sold out.
Yeah.
So
And then my cookbook's in the process too. So we'll be talking more about that. She's done got all the stuff laid out and everything. Monday she's gonna send it to me, and then 3 or 4 days after that we'll have our books, our cookbooks.
yeah, and as soon as we get the cookbooks finished and ready, we'll let y'all know how we're gonna go about that, because we're not gonna be able to link it with the merch. We'll have to make either a different website, or we'll have to do it in a different way. But we'll let y'all know whenever that day comes how we're gonna be able to sell the cookbooks.
Yeah, we're learning about all this stuff, you know. So y'all just bear with us.
Yeah, but y'all make sure to check it out.
Yeah, check this rice out. It is good.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments if y'all made this before or if y'all plan to make it.
Yeah.
And if y'all do make it, y'all got to make sure to get this cheese, because this cheese is
that's
super
what
good.
Makes it. It sure does. So we love y'all, and God bless you.
Yeah, that's all for this one. Love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to double check that y'all subscribed.
Yeah.
And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment.
Share
Yeah.
with your friends.
God bless y'all, and we'll see y'all on the next one.
Amen.